here. Yesterday we discussed about Neolithic and Chalolithic sites on map. Okay friend, now we start. Today my topic is famous sites and its evidences. Okay, first, North region. First one, Burj Home and Guf Karal. It is in Kashmir, as we all know in previous classes. From here, found many pit houses. Pit houses is a large houses in a ground, usually in circular shape, used for shelter. Second point, burial evidences of human being with dog. It means with pet dog. Second point, Damdama. It is in Uttar Pradesh. From here found different types of instrument pit oven. Pit oven means ground oven. Cooking pit is one of the simplest and most ancient cooking structures. Okay. Second point, 41 human being skeleton also found here. Third, Lake Khaya. From here we found 17 human skeleton. Fourth, Chopani Mando. First time handmade pottery, handmade huts like honeybee. These are the oldest evidences of handmade pottery because all three stages of Paleolithic age are developed. Okay, fifth one, Koldi Hawa. It is in Allahabad in UP. First evidences of rice. First time rice cultivate in Koldi Hawa. Okay, sixth, Mahagara near Allahabad in UP. From here we found round shaped hut. Evidences of paddy and barley cultivation we found here. Okay, seventh one, Mahada. Pillar hole, deer horns, ring, different types of animals evidences also found here. Bones, ornaments, double burial system, male and female in one. Double burial system means graveyard of two peoples in one. It means both are related with each other. For example, they are husband wife. By this we know that family concept start. Okay. Now eighth one, Sarai Narhara. It is the largest place of UP. From here different type of evidences are found. Burial system west to east. West to east means that time people also follow religious rituals. In simple words we say that people doing religious activity that time. Okay. Third, pillar hole, evidence of murder. Bone instrument, many human beings skeleton. Northwest region. First one, Mehergarh. It is in Pakistan. First evidence of agriculture, wheat and barley. It means it is an example or evidence of cultivation of wheat and barley. Okay, second point, house made from rough bricks like mud bricks. It's not baked. Okay. Third point, evidence of cotton cultivation. Mehergarh, called basket of bread of Balochistan. Okay, now in Rajasthan, Tilwara, Bagor was the biggest sites of Mesolithic. Mesolithic means small instrument in Mesolithic age, as we all know in previous classes. From here, agriculture and animal husbandry evidence also found here. Balathal, it is in Rajasthan. From here, terracotta figure of bull found here. Ganeshwar, in Rajasthan. From here maximum copper instruments are found, and from here this culture convert into Chalolithic culture because maximum copper we found that time. Okay, Ahar culture. It is in Rajasthan, also called a Tamravati. From here large level copper equipments found. Second point, found black and red pottery. Okay, in Gujarat, important places Langnaj. From here, all types of instruments are found. Many types of burial are found, and 14 human skeleton are also found from Langnaj. Prohas and Rangpur. It is in Gujarat. From Prohas, the pottery painted black on red. Second, from Rangpur, pottery is similar painted black on red like Prohas culture. Okay, now in eastern part, Chiran. It is in Bihar. From here maximum bones equipments are found. Deer horns instrument also found here. Evidences of rice cultivation. Madhya Pradesh, Kayat. From here found evidences of agriculture and animal husbandry. 29 bangles of copper, 2 special type of hand axe fortified settlements. Fortified means kilaband. Kayat culture was running with contemporary of Harappa culture. Iran. It is in Madhya Pradesh. The first evidence of sati is found in a stone pillar inscription. Okay. Now Navatoli. It is in Madhya Pradesh. From here we found iron from many places. Charkha thread making machine. Pottery polished black and red. Adamgarh. From here evidences of animal domesticated found. It means human being domesticated animals like dog, horse, cow for their livelihood and for her safety that time. Panchmari. Two places stone houses found from here. Jammu Deep, Dorti Deep. From here some evidences of pottery also found here. Now south region. Sangan Kallu in Karnataka. From here we found ash mount shade. Shade means bada of animals. From Pikli Hall. It is in Karnataka. From Pikli Hall we found ash mount shade means bada of animals. In South India human being cultivate the ragi. Maharashtra. Daimabad. It is the largest place of Maharashtra. From here we found the equipments of bronze and copper both. Maximum made from bronze. From here 4 types of goods found here. Chariot with man. Bull of copper, rhino, elephant statues. Also found the terracotta mother goddess figure. Nevesa, first evidence of jute, specially type of pottery, painted pottery with black on red. Jute means like a rope, like a basket we made from jute. Okay. Inamgaon, it is in Maharashtra. From here many types of huts found. Clay houses with oven. 5 rooms houses. 100 houses found in Inamgaon. Maximum settles are 45 kilaband. Jorve. It is in Maharashtra. Found evidences of housing settlement according to society or classification in groups. Okay. Thank you friend for watching my video. If you like my videos, give a like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. You again in my next video. Okay. Bye.